Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a game changer for the fragrance industry, our fully automated perfume, filling, crimping, labeling, and boxing line. If you're involved in perfume manufacturing, you know how time-consuming and labor-intensive the packaging process can be. Manual filling, sealing, labeling, and boxing can lead to inconsistencies, slower production, and higher costs. That's where this incredible machine comes in. This isn't just one machine. It's a complete, integrated system designed to handle your entire perfume packaging flywheel, from filling the bottles to boxing them up, in one seamless operation. Let's break down what makes this line so special. We have the precise filling station. It accurately dispenses your fragrance into each bottle, ensuring consistent volume every single time. No more overfilling or underfilling, which means less waste and a better product for your customers. Next up is the crimping station. Securely seals the spray nozzle or cap onto the bottle, preventing any leaks and maintaining the integrity of your perfume. A good seal is crucial for preserving the fragrance and ensuring it reaches your customers in perfect condition. Following that, we have the labeling station. This applies your custom labels with incredible accuracy and speed. Whether it's a simple logo or a complex design, is always neat, straight, and professional looking, enhancing your brand's appeal on the shelf. And finally, the boxing unit. This takes the finished labeled bottles and neatly places them into their individual boxes. This completes the entire packaging process, ready for shipping or display. The beauty of this automated line is its efficiency. It significantly reduces the need for manual labor, freeing up your staff for other important tasks. This also means you can increase your production output dramatically, meeting demand more effectively and potentially expanding your market reach. We've designed this line with precision and reliability in mind. The advanced control systems ensure smooth operation and minimal downtime. It's built with high-quality materials to withstand the demands of continuous production. Imagine the benefits: faster turnaround times, consistent product quality, reduced operational costs, and a more professional presentation of your perfume. This line is an investment that can truly transform your manufacturing process. If you're looking to upgrade your perfume packaging, reduce errors, and boost your production capacity, this automated line is definitely worth considering. We'd love to show you more or discuss how this system can be tailored to your specific needs. Reach out to us today for a personalized consultation and a quote. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.